Class 8, Chapter number 1, How, When, and Where. Dear students, there was a time when historians were fascinated with dates. Yes, indeed. There were these heated debates, passionate discussion about the exact dates on which rulers were crowned or battles were valiantly fought. My dear children, at that time, history was synonymous with dates. Why dates are so important? History is all about changes that occur over time. It's about unraveling the mystery of how things were in the past and understanding just how much they have changed. The moment we start comparing the past to our present, time becomes our guide. We speak of before and after, tracing the evolution of civilization, culturalization, and societies through the corridor of time. In our daily lives, we often overlook the historical context of the world around us. We always take the things for granted as if they have always existed in the same way. But there are moments of curiosity when we start thinking the historical roots of what we encounter. Like when see someone taking sip of tea might lead us to wonder about the origin of the tea consumption. Similarly, looking out of the train window, questions should be come in our mind that how people travel long distance before the train invented. Even reading the morning newspaper can spark curiosity about how people got to hear about things before newspaper begin to be printed. All these historical questions bring us back to notation of time, but time doesn't always have to be marked by specific dates like a year or a month. Sometimes it is not accurate to attach exact date to event that unfold gradually over time. Like people in India did not begin drinking tea one fine day, they developed a taste for it over time. So there is no clear proper dates for this. Similarly, we cannot fix single dates on which British rule was established, nor can see on which exact date the national movement started. We can't say exact date on which changes took place within the economy of society. All the things happen over a stretch of time. We can only talk about a general period when we notice certain changes. Then why do we associate history with the dates? This association has reason. In the past, history mainly focused on telling stories about battles, big events, and what rulers did. Historians used to write about specific years like when a king became a king, got married, had kids, fought wars, passed away, and the next ruler took over. In histories, when events like this happens, we can figure out specific dates. In these types of histories, debates about dates remain significant. In recent history books, historians explore many new topics. They study new people lived, what they ate, how cities grow, how markets formed, how kingdoms started, and how new ideas spread. They also examine how culture and society changed over time.